Should I jump in?
What is that?
I just saw this through my catamaran's emergency
It's
hatch.
huge.
I have to get a closer look.
Dry Tortugas National Park.
The Reboot is 38 feet long. The mini keel is at least 8. Maybe I can see him better from the bow. There he is. How big is he? Let's try the other side. There he is.
And here he comes.
This large, solitary fish will defend its territory when threatened, with aggressive body language and a rumbling sound it makes with its swim bladder. It can grow to over 8 feet long and up to 800 pounds. Fish of all sizes like to hide under catamarans for protection from predators and the sun.
1 hour later.
I can't see what I'm doing from this angle, so I'm hoping to catch the Goliath grouper on camera. Apologies for the funky view, but I'm not getting in with him. One of the best things about a catamaran is having your own swimmable aquarium under your boat. What will I find next?
See you out there.